Brother Farouk from Qatar.
So if I'm making wudu, then I take some water and wet my hands to wipe my head. But then after I wipe my head, my hands became dry. So then must I take a new water to like wipe over my ears?
No need to do that. The water that was in your hands is sufficient. It's not 100% dry. There still be some dampness in your fingers, and that would suffice to wipe your ears. Do not take new water for that. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, إِنَّمَا الْأُذُنَانِ مِنْ الرَّأْسِ. The ears are part of the head. So wiping your head, immediately wipe your ears as well with the same hands without taking new water.